The Constitutional Court has dismissed the African Transformation Movement's ATM bid to urgently appeal a Western Cape High Court order that halted public hearings in Parliament's impeachment process against President Cyril Ramaphosa. The Apex Court ruled on Wednesday that it would not be in the interest of justice to hear the appeal at this stage, given that Ramaphosa's review application is expected to be determined soon. The legal battle stems from an interim order issued by the Western Cape High Court last month, which barred the Parliamentary Impeachment Committee from proceeding with public hearings until Ramaphosa's application to review and set aside an independent panel's report has been finalized. The panel's report found that Ramaphosa had a case to answer over the Phala Farm matter, paving the way for Parliament to consider whether impeachment proceedings should be pursued. ATM leader Vuyiswa subsequently approached the Constitutional Court, seeking leave to appeal the High Court's decision directly. However, the Apex Court found that the outcome of Ramaphosa's review application could effectively render the interim interdict irrelevant. The court said the outcome of the matter would render the interim interdict moot. The Constitutional Court also considered an application by the Umkhonto weSizwe Party and United African Transformation UAT to file a replying affidavit. It concluded that no sufficient grounds had been presented to justify allowing the replying affidavit, and said consequently leave to file a replying affidavit and leave to appeal must be refused, adding that it will not make an order as to cost. The decision effectively leaves the Western Cape High Court's interim order in place, while Ramaphosa's review application remains pending. The ATM was not alone in challenging the suspension of the impeachment process. The Economic Freedom Fighters, Umkhonto weSizwe Party and UAT also joined the legal challenge, seeking to overturn the High Court's order and allow Parliament's impeachment inquiry into Ramaphosa to resume. For now, however, the Constitutional Court has declined to intervene, leaving the next major development in the dispute dependent on the outcome of Ramaphosa's review application. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.